In regards to Kaspa mining, you as the end user should be aware of your environment or the ecosystem in which you're mining. Now, I only have two Kaspa KS0 Pros that I've modified, not only the thermal solution, but also the firmware. And I am trying to sustain a higher hash rate to keep up as we progress forward with the emission schedule and a number of factors. You can see here on the right hand side, I'm averaging about 40 Kaspa every 24 hours, where previously, like over here on the 25th, around 63 Kaspa, on the 27th, 2 days, 62 Kaspa. So I actually increased the amount of Kaspa I'm earning per day, but as we move forward with the emission schedule in a few days, on February 6th, that block reward is going to drop from 138.59 to 130.81. Modifying our firmware is the best way to do this, and there's a couple of vendors out there. T-Swift has been the most popular amongst the crypto mining community, but I know there's some of you out there who built your own firmware or sell your firmware or don't sell it at all, and you just give it away for free. But as we move forward, just be aware that you need to adapt because the network hash rate continues to climb as well as the network difficulty. Now, the Block Explorer still shows us people winning the 138, so be prepared for the update to the emission schedule as we move forward and Kaspa continues to climb in network difficulty, hash rate, and proceeds with the emission schedule. Hopefully, price action will follow. Good luck.